Welcome back to Raji's Cooking Show. Today we're making a delicious and healthy high-protein, easy snack deviled eggs with crispy bacon. These are creamy, flavorful, and perfect for parties, lunch boxes, or a quick healthy snack. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to Raji's Cooking Show. Today we're making deviled eggs. Here are the ingredients: 12 eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, cumin, bacon, and spices. And check out the nutrition chart. It's high in protein and ready in 40 minutes. First, cook the bacon over medium heat until it becomes nice and crispy. See how it's crisping up? Just give it a flip. And there we have it, perfectly crispy bacon. Once the bacon cools down, crumble it into small, flavorful bits. Now place the eggs in cold water, bring them to a boil, and cook for 12 minutes. Immediately cool the eggs with cold water to stop the cooking and make peeling easier. Peel the eggs carefully and cut them in half. Mix the yolks with mayonnaise, mustard, crispy bacon, cumin, and seasonings until smooth and creamy. Fill each egg white with the creamy bacon yolk mixture. Finish with paprika and fresh herbs for a beautiful final touch. If you love this easy, healthy snack, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also, see the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Raji's Cooking Show. Alright, that's it for today.